From decentralized transactions and decentralized store of value vehicles to today's wide range of decentralized applications, otherwise known as dApps, crypto has come a long way, but not without challenges. As great as decentralized applications are, they require an exchange of data between blockchains and the applications themselves. At the beginning, Ethereum developers, for example, had to figure out on a case-by-case basis how to facilitate this without compromising security. But then in 2020, the Graph came along as one of the first solutions for decentralized indexing and querying. It's basically open source software that developers can use for data retrieval, processing, and storage. The Graph, number one, collects and analyzes blockchain data, and number two, stores it into so-called subgraphs, making it possible for developers to simply query the protocol and receive a response right away. And the language used for this is Facebook's GraphQL, and the native cryptocurrency of the protocol is GRT, an ERC20 token with a max supply of 10 billion, and which of course is vital for the activity of the various players involved, such as developers who create subgraphs or maybe implement existing ones, indexers who operate nodes to obviously index data but also to serve queries, curators who organize data, and delegators who delegate GRT to indexers and thus secure the network. The end result is that developers no longer have to worry about running their own indexing servers with the various logistical challenges involved in that. Instead, they can get the job done in a secure and decentralized manner by delegating to the Graph so as to allocate their precious resources and brain power elsewhere.